everybody, Tim over here at Sapaugh GM Power, bringing you another Tech Tip Tuesday video. Today we're doing it on a 2018 Grand Sport Corvette. Now, with winter being here and everything, and it being cold outside, there is a chance that the battery will die. And if you have a Corvette like this one and the battery was to die, you have to have a way to get inside the vehicle. Because with us having power locks like this, you won't actually be able to get into the vehicle since it's an actuator and electronically controlled. So with your key fob, just like this, there's a button right here on the key fob. If you push this button in, you can pull back on the key fob and actually gives you a manual key. On the right side, all the way down underneath of the vehicle, there's a keyhole. So you go ahead and put the key in the keyhole, turn it to the right, and that's actually going to open the trunk up. So at this point, we'll go ahead and open the trunk, and you can find right over here, the battery is located on the right side. So you can go ahead and jump start the vehicle from here. On the off chance you need to get into the vehicle, you can go ahead and pull this lever right here. So we pull this back, and then you can go ahead and open the door, and that gives you access inside the vehicle. And that is how you successfully get into a 2018 Corvette with a dead battery. If you need to go ahead and make a service appointment, please go online to sapaugh.com or give us a call at 636-931-0055. Thank you.
Sapaugh GM Power.